All right, my name is Evan Eichler. I'm a full professor in the Department of Genome Sciences, University of Washington. I'm a Howard Hughes investigator. I've been working on the Human Genome Project since its inception, and now I've been involved in working on the Pangenome with a specific emphasis on understanding structural variation and duplications and the relationship to disease and evolution. So the Human Pangenome Project was officially launched in 2019. Its goal is to create a new reference genome that better represents the diversity of all humans. So humans are not all the same in terms of their genetics. Some have sequences that are present in some but not others. And the idea here is that one genome, which is the one reference, is insufficient for understanding disease and evolution. And so the goal here is to sequence a diverse set of humans completely, so understanding all the genetic information. And from that, build a new reference that actually adds essentially all the genetic variation that's present in these different human genomes into a singular representation. The motivation is that by doing so, we will actually eliminate some of the inequity in terms of discovering genetic causes of disease, so that all individuals in the world will benefit from essentially having this pangenome reference. So my interest in pangenomics actually begins before it was a term. In the 1990s, I got interested in structural variation in human genomes, specifically into sequences that were making extra copies of themselves in some people but not others. The reason these regions or sequences are important is twofold. Number one, they are the means by which new genes are born within our genome. So from an evolutionary perspective, they're very important. The other is they actually create instability in our genome, so they lead to rearrangements. And so a big part of my career has been focused on trying to understand new causes of developmental delay and autism in the general population due to these instabilities created by duplications. So how is this related to pangenomes? Well, the information that we're studying from different humans is allowing us to identify susceptibilities in the population and hopefully discover new genetic associations with disease. So this is the work that we hope to get from the Pangenome Project, an improved understanding of the genetic basis of human disease. And in my case, I'm interested in understanding the susceptibilities to autism and the genes that actually help to make us uniquely human. All right, so what would be my advice for young people in the field? My advice would be pursue your passion, work hard, and realize that those two things are tightly related. So passion doesn't fall from the sky. You actually discover your passion by doing hard work. And the harder you work, the more you realize in what you truly love. And once you have that, science is a dream job. So I'd encourage you guys to pursue your passion above everything else.